create value for customers. Driven by technology innovation, Inventronics focuses on creating value for customers by providing high-quality, stable and reliable, intelligent driver solutions. We've gained the trust of global customers with high-quality product delivery and high-efficient response. We've built a campus-style manufacturing base in Tonglu, China, combining the natural environment, historical references, and modern architecture. We've created a unique industrial park. We implement lean management here, owning a number of modern SMT lines, 100% equipped with automated optical inspection, as well as automatic first article inspection. High-end technical equipment, advanced automatic manufacturing and testing equipment assures high-efficient manufacturing and high-quality products. As a high-tech enterprise and a leader in the industry, we're keenly aware of the importance of product quality to customers. Therefore, we've established a global high-standard and whole-process quality assurance system. We carry out cross-functional collaborations at the same time to continuously improve design, manufacturing process, and supply capability, so as to further enhance product stability and reliability. We assure the quality of each product from the beginning, realize 100% coverage of incoming material quality inspection, as well as quality assurance in the whole life cycle of products. With advanced inspection technology and reliability testing, the product qualification rate is gradually approaching 100%. In order to further strengthen the control of production process and quality, we adopted MES and other IT systems to collect production data in real time and set identity tag for each product to create traceability of the whole process from sales order to delivery. The Smart Warehouse Management System can realize real-time monitoring of the status of material inventory, automatically match materials under the principle of first in, first out, effectively prevent wrong materials, and achieve independent control of temperature and humidity. The finished product warehouse is equipped with efficient smart traceability system, which can realize accurate tracing of product and customer information and fast turnover. In order to provide customers with better services, we've established manufacturing facilities with the same production process and quality standard in India and Mexico. Global production layout establishing capacity redundancy. Flexible production mechanism allows us to expand production capacity rapidly. Flexible, intelligent manufacturing, combining large and small production lines, can quickly respond to market changes and meet diverse and individualized needs of customers. Inventronics global manufacturing facilities continuously provide driver solutions as well as localized convenient services for lots of well-known projects worldwide. To support China's national objective of emission peak and carbon neutrality, practice the concept of green development, Inventronics will further develop the field of electric vehicles charging and consistently serve global customers with high-quality delivery and high-efficient response.